Hello friends of the electrified charging fun and welcome to Speicher Elektrisiert, your channel all around Skoda's e-mobility. My name is Matthias and today we talk about a new apps bundle in the shop. Yes, after the disaster all around the Traffication app, I don't have another word for that, and for all the redesign stuff, and I showed you in one of my last videos, link is up here. They released a new apps bundle consisting of two apps. The Smart Apps bundle contains the Traffication app again and as well a calendar app. Now available in stores, I will purchase this one for you because this package will cost you money from day one. It's not much, but they will make you pay for it. What these apps are capable of and what my opinion on bringing this Smart Apps bundle right now and also bill it, you will hear in this video. So let's go. I already told you about the disaster with the Traffication app, link up here, but since a couple of days there is a new option in the store in your car and I'll show you. Unfortunately it's in German since my Skoda Connect language is German, but hey, the bundles are nevertheless completely in English, even if this is the German view of the shop. And here it is, Smart Apps bundle with a price tag of 4 Swiss francs and 90, so around 5 Swiss francs. I guess it's also 5 euros. And let's have a look at this new package. This bundle consists of 2 apps for the infotainment system of your Skoda. And there it is again, the Traffication app and the Calendar app. You need to buy it for 1 year for 5 francs or for 5 euro. You do not have any trial options. You don't have the trial options on the Skoda Connect website as well. So there you also have to buy it. And if you hit to order, you see it, it's directly built. And I will order this package now and then showcase it to you so you have a better way to consider if this is worth your money, even it's a small fee, but more on that in the conclusion and in my opinion, what I think about the fee for those apps. Let's install it and then have a look at the apps themselves. So that's it. I've ordered already. And now you have to wait because they are working on it. They are not directly in your car. So yeah, until they are installed, I have a small break and we see us afterwards. Well, it took Skoda about half an hour to tell me that the apps are now ready for installation. I show you here with the emails, and there is a time gap of about 30 minutes between them. And then when you start your car, you think these apps are here, but they are not. So let's head to the shop. And within the shop, you see Smart Apps bundle is now activated. And when I tap on the Smart Apps bundle, you can see Traffication is installed and Calendar is still on please wait. You can tap on those and then you see more details. And there you can see, first off, I can delete the app. And second, I can open it. And now let's head over to the Calendar. And when I tap on this, which is still not installed, I only get the please wait. But what's curious, for every app you can hit more information. And then you see the size of the app and the complete available memory in the car for app installation. So quite funny side fact. But it says installed, and if you have a look in the menu, it's still not there. Well, I'm not afraid that the icons are not here. Let's head to the shop and try to launch the app from there. So let's head to Smart Apps bundle, hit Traffication, and open. And I'll get an error message. Traffication cannot be opened. More information you find in the private settings or the data protection settings of the My Skoda app or in the Skoda Connect portal. So, and there's a barcode. So let's scan this barcode and see what will happen. And you see the barcode leads to the App Store of my iPhone, and it wants to open the My Skoda Essentials. Do you still know what this app is? I'll open it for you. The My Skoda Essentials app is the old My Skoda app. This is the old My Skoda app we had before the new My Skoda app. So the new My Skoda app, you might already know, is this one. But this barcode is referring to the old app, which unfortunately will not help you here any longer. So you have to use the new app, but the barcode for itself is wrong. But now let's find out what's all about this message. Sometimes you just have to wait for it. Now, 1.5 days, so 36 hours later, the apps are there. They are installed. You see a calendar app and the traffication app. And when I go into the shop, you will see they are installed. You have nothing else to do. Going into the shop becomes important later on. So you see I'm in the shop, they are installed, and since it is able to get all the dates until my licenses are available, the car is online. Wouldn't you say so? And yeah, it's just 3 out of 5 bars up here, but the car is online. Now, let us start the calendar. And now what he's telling me right there is no internet connection. Please check your mobile telephone service and the data usage. And that's it. I am not able to get this app to run. And when I start traffication, I get the spinning wheel of death. I'm only showing you that for a couple of seconds right now while I'll talk. I recorded another video and I had this running for about half an hour and it didn't go away. So I'm still not able to use these apps 36 hours after purchase, or respective 36 hours after Skoda told me they are activated and I can use them. So yeah, let's just wait another day or so. Maybe these apps will work. Stay tuned, I'll keep you informed, and as soon as these apps are running, I'll show you what they do. 48 hours gone, 2 days since I've purchased these 2 apps in the Smart Apps bundle, and now let's see if they finally work, because until now I didn't get them to work. So they do not work. I got the same error, and when I hit try again, I will run constantly into this error. I even parked my car outside to have a better mobile signal, but as you can see, this doesn't do the trick. Nothing works here. We can just wait until the message appears again, but this is senseless. So let's look at traffication, and there we have the same problem. The spinner of death, it's just spinning around for minutes over minutes over minutes. These apps simply do not work, even after 2 days, at least in my car. When everything else fails, you can try to uninstall and install the app again. And to do that, you can go to the Skoda Connect shop, hit the bundle where the apps are in, and then simply hit on the app you want to deinstall. For the German video, I did a deinstallation of the calendar already, so for the English one, I use traffication, and then just hit delete, German here, löschen, so I hit delete. Yes, I want to delete this app, and as you can see, the app is gone and I can reinstall the app now. So let's just install the app again, hit install. You need to wait a bit and see if this does the trick. Maybe it's clever to rest the car a bit, not directly install it, I don't know. Now I try it with a simple direct installation. Hit open and see if this does the trick. We've got the message up here, as you can see, which says traffication is installed now. You can open the app now. But this doesn't look so great. Doesn't seem that the app is starting right now. Well, let's give it a few moments. Now that we've got these 2 applications here, You see them in the menu. You might think maybe you can put them somewhere on your favorite bar below or up here, or maybe they also have widgets which you can use. So let's check that out. We start with the favorite bar up here, and let's see if we can find those apps here. No, you cannot add them to your top bar favorites, but let's try below. And maybe we've got these apps right here. And yes, there is the calendar and there is traffication. So let's put traffication down here. You see, this works. And did you see what just happens here? Let me close the menu. This icon does not fit the favorites. It is out of line. And you see these radar beams up or over the car are not complete. They are going over the line. This is because the new icons like calendar or power pass, service actions and something like that have these small shadows below, and all other icons do not. This is why this looks completely odd on the bar, and this is the same when you put the calendar down there. Where it is, there it is. And let's put the calendar there. And as you can see, it does not fit. But the calendar looks pretty nice because it seems that he's attached to the line above. But again, this is some design failure for me because as you can see, it simply doesn't fit. It does not look correct. So just to show you, it's the same with all the new web apps. What the heck? Now. And let's put PowerPass down there. And with PowerPass, it's the same. Sorry, this is, yeah. Again, let's keep it this way. Let's have a look at the widgets. Maybe there are some new widgets, so let's put them here. Let's have a look. Yeah, we've got a calendar widget and we've got a traffication widget. Let's see if we've got more or bigger ones. No. And there's something odd again. Do you see the symbols? They are the same. This is this globe. And maybe you already know the globe. This is the icon placeholder you always see when you start up the ENYAQ and you are too early in the menu. Then all web apps have this icon, and later on the correct one is loaded. But it seems that on the widgets they simply forgot to put the icons. So yeah, let's put the widgets on the screen to see if then the icons are there. No, they are not. And as you can see, you can have them to enter into the app, but with a wrong icon. Well then, some time has passed. Let's give these apps a last try to boot. Let's start with the calendar. Now we got the no internet connection again. Let's hit try again. Maybe it will work, maybe not. But this will be my last attempt because simply I'm not interested anymore if they don't start now. If they will at a certain time in the future, I will showcase these apps, but as of now, this does not seem to work at all. And to be honest, how long should you wait till such an app starts? Yeah, and we're running into the error again. This app simply won't start. Let's try traffication. But this doesn't look great either. Let's give it a bit of time. Maybe the first startup needs to do something, I don't know. To be honest, there's nothing happening there. This app isn't working. Both apps simply do not work, even after waiting 2 days since Skoda told me they have been activated. To be honest, I really would have loved to showcase these apps to you, to show that Skoda is able to provide you with updates over the air with functionality you can use. I even prepared a lot of appointments in several calendars, in Microsoft 365, in Google, also in Apple. I wanted to showcase and test if we can navigate to addresses in appointments, if we can do calls to persons who are invited, or if we could even use something like Microsoft Teams or Apple FaceTime or Skype and whatsoever. But the apps don't work. So I cannot showcase you this. And this is really a pity, because I want to be positive. I want to show that there is stuff happening. But why Skoda, are you making it so hard for me? This is simply, yeah, I don't know what to say. Besides that, the flaws with the design, so the missing icons, the wrong icons for your favorites bar, this should not happen at all. And I don't know, really, I don't know what to say. So, but to be fair, I looked up several communities online, and there are people where these apps work just like charm. They bought them, they installed them, and within 1 or 2 hours, they were up and running flawlessly. And other people in the community have the same issues like I have, where the app simply won't start. And nobody until now found out what the reason for this is. Me too, I have no clue what this is. And so, yeah, what should I say? It is as it is. You could say, don't do the video. But why shouldn't I? This is what I experience with the car, and this channel is my vlog about what I'm experienced with the car. So why not showcase this? Yeah, well, it is as it is. So if this video was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up. And if you did not already subscribe to the channel, please do so, because then you would also do not miss out the video where I hopefully finally can show you these apps in working condition. And if you want to support me even more, then consider to give me a small donation via YouTube Thanks or via PayPal. I would really appreciate that. But I also appreciate if you are only watching this video. And so I hope to see you in the next video. And until then, stay full of energy.